What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is finally sunny outside, finally warm, feels great down in South Carolina. So we need to work on this thing. I've got a bunch of videos to edit, so I don't know when this one will come out. I might be behind, I might not, but some updates on the car currently is we have a big old splitter made. We have, I'll pull the hood off, but we have our big old splitter made with a bunch of really nice chassis mounts. So we've got our splitter done, our nice coil bracket came in, which I have some footage of us setting this up, so it'll either be in this video or a different video, I don't know yet, but we'll figure it out. What's up next for the Haltech is this harness all has to come out, then we can give it to our man Alfie, and then Alfie can solder everything together and put all the sensors on and all that. So the main piece the Haltech setup is here, which is our coil bracket, and now we gotta do all that. What's up, guys? We are here for the second part of the Haltech video, and we've been held up for 2 weeks because of this. Ty and Dick figured it out and sent it off, and it finally showed up today. So we're going to attempt to make it work. And Ty's being all really engineering out here with some fucking cutting oil and his precise drill bits and his precise hole punch tap. And we're putting riv nuts in. We have no clue how to use this tool, so we're gonna learn today.
I don't.
All right, Ty, how do you use a riv nut tool?
Put the right auger, whatever the hell you call these. Probably need someone to hold it. You hold this, Josh, like that. It's not gonna punch you or anything, it's just a rivet tool. Nice. Good. Nice and flat.
Are we?
Huh?
You know what we should do? We should drill a hole into the thing so you can kind of rest against it. Okay.
And that's it.
Let her rip,
unscrew it,
dude.
and it's spicy.
That friggin' slices my hand open.
Yeah.
This thing's not that big bird. And you got a rivet. So I took the coil. I even got lock washers, dude. I got fucking.
Look at you out here doing it right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm an engineer. My name's going on this shit. He's tagging me and stuff saying, hey, he engineered this. I want it to actually work.
My car breaks. Hey, Ty engineered this shit. It sucks.
Exactly. My name, even though it's not James Woods Racing, is still technically on this thing.
No one get anything from Tyler Hansen.
Boycott Tyler Hansen Engineering. Oh, look at that, dude. I'm just gonna
That's
bolt in just like that. So we're gonna line this bad girl up.
We definitely need to paint the brackets for the coils because those are disgusting.
We're gonna lose that tool I said not to lose.
I told you not to lose it. Ty's got everything bolted on this bitch. Now we're gonna go throw in the car and see how she looks. Well, she's in.
I think we're just gonna relocate this because you have this. That was my here.
Yeah.
But I wanted to relocate it to be in the end. I wanted to put it over here. So actually, you know, I'm just gonna do that right now.
How are we gonna relocate this?
Just make little tabs. So this is what I'm gonna do. Take this off. So I want to put that like on the side. So that's like that. So it's its own standalone thing.
All those wires look like ass.
These?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a bracket center to that guy.
Okay.
There it is.
So how we gonna run our cables? So we got our wires.
So wires are gonna go this plug.
They're gonna pop out here, I'm guessing.
Yeah, a wire clamp here and here. Because my intention is we gotta run a common ground. If we can do one here, we'll put that ground plate right here, and then they'll just splice off to each one. So the wire is gonna come here. We're gonna have a wire clip here and here. This one's gonna run through the wire clip in the center, kind of link up with that one. This one's gonna do wire clip here and here, along there, link up with that one.
Okay.
And then they'll all come together in a harness right here. Then we'll do the common power. We can even do your common power right here, right? So we can take.
Oh, we're gonna Alfie's just splitting power.
Oh, Alfie's splitting
power.
Yeah.
So we're not using the studs. He's just splitting power from that wire.
We'll do a common ground or something here.
Okay.
That's what this space is used for, and then boom.
All right. So now that our coil plate is mounted and we've got our wires kind of figured out, we also know what we're gonna do with our relay box. I'm gonna cut some of the frame out because I don't know, Ty's over there. He wants to do it. It's a good idea for our ducting. We're gonna get cutting.
Later.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is finally sunny outside, finally warm, feels great down in South Carolina. So we need to work on this thing. I've got a bunch of videos to edit, so I don't know when this one will come out. I might be behind, I might not, but some updates on the car currently is we have a big old splitter made. We have, I'll pull the hood off, but we have our big old splitter made with a bunch of really nice chassis mounts. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is the second installment of the Haltech series, and today we are going to pull the harness out of the car and get it all ready for Alfie to solder up. So we're just gonna jump right into it and enjoy this time lapse when you pull the harness out. Alright, what's up, guys? So we've got the harness out of the car. We're now in the house. I'm just kind of loosely wrapping this up, just see how it'll be, and maybe it'll give Alfie a little bit easier time just dealing with a bunch of wires. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, hopefully he gets to it maybe soon, we don't know. So we have a lot of the harness just kind of test wrapped up to see lengths and see how stuff's gonna fit. And now we just wait for Alfie to
put this all together. I'm going to go edit videos because I am so far behind on editing for y'all. I've been really lazy. I've just been working on the car a lot and not editing. So I'm gonna go edit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you got. Let me know if you guys are excited about the Haltech, what you're excited about. Just give me all y'all's thoughts, and we have some more FC stuff coming. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a long-term subscriber, thank you for the support, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.